Composition 40% carbon, 6.7% hydrogen, and 53.3% oxygen had a molar mass of 60 gram mole inverse. Find the empirical formula and also the molecular formula. There are 7 steps involved to solve these kind of questions. We will deal with them one by one. In the step 1, we should convert each percentage to gram. For this, we will assume the total mass of the compound to be 100 gram, and it is given that the composition of carbon is 40%. This means that the mass of the carbon out of the total 100 is 40 gram, and similarly hydrogen is 6.7 gram and oxygen is 53.3 gram. The second step is to divide the mass of each element by its standard atomic mass. In the case of carbon, it is 40 divided by 12 and the answer is 3.3333. In case of hydrogen, it is 6.7 divided by 1 and the answer is 6.7. And in the case of oxygen, it is 53.3 divided by 16 and the answer is 3.3312. In the third step, we should find the smallest number out of these three numbers and should divide each of these numbers by the smallest number. Here we can see that 3.3312 is the smallest number and we will divide the three numbers by 3.3312 and the answers are 1.006 for carbon, 2.011 for hydrogen and 1 for oxygen. The fourth step is to round these numbers and write the empirical formula using these numbers as subscript. So we will get the empirical formula as CH2O. In the fifth step, use the empirical formula you have just found to find its molar mass. In the case of CH2O, the molar mass is 30 gram mole inverse. The sixth step is to divide the given molar mass in the question, that is 60 gram mole inverse, by the molar mass of the empirical formula, that is CH2O, to get the value of N. That is, N is given by the given molar mass divided by the empirical formula molar mass. So the value of N is given by 60 gram mole inverse divided by 30 gram mole inverse, and that is equal to 2. The seventh step is to multiply the empirical formula by the value of N. Here in this case, the empirical formula CH2O is multiplied by 2 and we will get the molecular formula as C2H4O2. Next question is to find the empirical formula of a compound that contains 80% carbon and 20% hydrogen. The first step is to convert the percentage to grams, and it is 80 gram for carbon and 20 gram for hydrogen. The second step is to divide the mass of each element by its standard atomic mass, that is 80 divided by 12 equal to 6.666 for carbon and 20 divided by 1, that is equal to 20 for hydrogen. The third step is to find the smallest number among these two numbers, and it is 6.666, and we should divide each of these numbers by 6.666 and we will get the answer as 1 for carbon and 3 for hydrogen. Using these numbers as subscript, in the step 4 we should write the empirical formula and we will get the empirical formula as CH3. Third question, a compound was found to have a composition of 2% for hydrogen, 32.7% for sulfur and 65.3% for oxygen. Find its empirical formula. The first step is to convert the percentage to grams. In the second step, we should divide each of the elements by its standard atomic mass. And we will get the answers as 2 for hydrogen, 1.02187 for sulfur and 4.08125 for oxygen. In the third step, we will find the smallest number among these three numbers, that is 1.02187, and divide each of these three numbers by 1.02187 and we will get the answers as 1.957 for hydrogen, 1 for sulfur and 3.9939 for oxygen. In the fourth step, we should round these numbers and write the empirical formula using these numbers as subscript. For hydrogen, the value 1.957 can be rounded to 2 and for oxygen 3.9939 can be rounded to 4. So the empirical formula of the compound is H2SO4 and that is sulfuric acid. We will deal with one more question. A compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon and 71.65% chlorine. Its molar mass is 98.96. Calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. This is the most easiest way of solving these kind of questions. First, the values of percentage composition and atomic mass are written down. In the next step, the percentage composition is divided by the atomic mass of the element, and we will get the answers as 4.07 for hydrogen, 2.02 for carbon, and 2.018 for chlorine. Now, the smallest number among these three is 2.018, and we should divide each of these three numbers by 2.018. And after rounding the answers, we get the relative ratio as 2 for hydrogen, 1 for carbon, and 1 for chlorine. So the empirical formula is CH2Cl. Now we should find the value of N. N is given by molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. And it is given the question that the molar mass of the compound is 98.96. The empirical formula mass of CH2Cl is 49.5. Dividing these values, we get the answer as N equal to 2. Now we know that molecular formula is given by N into empirical formula, that is 2 into CH2Cl, and we will get the molecular formula as C2H4Cl2.